Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and it does not really matter whether it will be on the video, photo mode, etc. All we have to do is to enter the settings, and to do that we have to either tap on this arrow icon or swipe your finger from the top to the bottom and tap on the settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults, and of course I forgot to tell you about the most important thing I wanted to show you. I hope that you can see the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So again, the settings, scroll down and tap on Restore Defaults. Let's confirm it with OK. The options flashed a little bit, kind of, and after getting back to the camera you can see that the grid lines disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.